My Coleman stove is seriously my prized possession in my camping gear, and I'm going to show you why. This is her in all her glory. She is a sturdy girl, hardcore, pretty heavy duty, which feels really well made. Like all the buckles and clasps, like metal. The inside has that like cast iron grill plate. Just even the attachment for our gas is very well done. She also comes with these two cast iron plates. Grill plate and flat. If you've seen some of our camping videos, you know I love to make pancakes with this. And this carrying case to keep them all together. It is heavy though, that is one of the downsides. Handle on the underside here, so you can carry it around very easily. We usually have the truck with us, so we don't have to carry that far. But if you want it as an accessory, as a briefcase, she's your girl. So the windscreens open up to the side. They have this little pinchable metal that just goes in, holds up the lid as well, and that's on both sides. They're not huge windscreens though, so honestly, that could be something that could be improved in a future model. I wanted to make something easy to like demo this in use, so I'm gonna do like a little apple pie dessert. Luke and I just went for a little run. Well, I should say I went for a run. Luke is still on his run. He's trying to do a marathon. No, half marathon today, which is 21 kilometers. I just did a 5K. I didn't want to bring anything that I had to fridge because it's a hot day. Does that look good? Another big thing that I love about this stove is how easy it is to like turn the knob, get some fuel going, and it's ignited. Literally just one click. It's so easy. So I'm gonna use this for my little apple pie. I've got some butter, which is very soft in this heat right now. I'm gonna add my apples. Oh, baby. I'm gonna turn that down a little. I'm not sure if it's normal or if most people do carry this, but I always have cinnamon in my camping bin spices. We love it for like French toast and pancakes. And now, apple pie. Brought a little brown sugar. I will say one of the downsides is it can really give you hot spots, especially on these plates. So things in the middle tend to get hotter and might burn. It's just the like nature of this style of burner, I guess. You're probably gonna laugh at me because this is a little extra, especially when you're outdoors. It's one of my favorite things, and like, I don't know, foods to cook at home as a quick snack is canned escargots. Yeah, snails. It is just so delicious with some butter. Oh, I forgot garlic. Well, we're gonna have to deal without that. It's actually like really high in protein and pretty good for us. I can seriously polish off this whole can by myself. Okay, half a can is 60 calories, 1 gram of fat, and 2 grams of carbs, and 11 grams of protein. So if you want some protein, this is what you need. To be fair though, when you cook it in a bunch of butter, it probably defeats the purpose, but we're not gonna talk about that. Let me add the butter. Yeah, don't judge me on my healthy decisions here. Got my little salt and peppers. We're gonna add some of that. The most random combo of food, a little apple pie dessert and escargots, but it's the things that I like, and that's all that matters. And it lets me show you guys this stove in action. So one great feature with this stove is that there's a lot of space between the burners, so I can be using the flat plate and put a frying pan, even a bigger one if I wanted to, or a big pot here, without it feeling like it's butting up. Some of the more narrow stoves, you just feel like you can't put 2 large pots or pans on there. There was a big group of people walking by to go for a hike, and I was just waiting for one of them to ask me, "What are you making?" "Oh, just some buttered escargot and apple pie." They're gonna be like, "She's such a fake outdoorsy," but you know Anyone who follows Sulu outdoors, you know I'm a real outdoorsy. I'm just bougie. So let's plate. I've got delicious snails on the menu. I don't know how to do this without dropping them everywhere. Luke is so missing out. If he was back by now, he could share this with me, but I'm not saving it for him. Yum. I had 2 apples, but I only cut up 1, and now I feel like I'm gonna wish I had a second. I'm not sure if I showed this close up enough, but this grill plate has a little lip on the side, which is very appreciated when things could run off of it. Let me show you. See that little lip here? That helps. To be honest though, I did crack an egg one time and it just slid right off, and that was like one of the saddest things ever. But for like apples and butter, it didn't make a mess. Let's eat. I'm going to really dress up this apple pie because there's no like crust or pastry puff with crumbled Biscoffs. Start with the savory, the escargots. This is also really good if you got some like garlic crackers or something. Sprinkle a little cheese on top too. One of my favorite snacks to have if I'm trying to be healthy. Obviously, Lay's original potato chips are my favorite snack. It is so good. I know this has nothing to do with the actual stove. I could have made this at home and it'd be equally delicious. But why not? Why not make escargots on your Coleman Cascade 3-in-1? Wonder if anyone else has ever done that in the whole world. I really think I'm a special snowflake, don't I? All right, let's get some of this dessert. Oh, Luke is gonna be so jealous. That is so delish. The Biscoff makes it amazing. And the sun is shining. It's beautiful outside. Fresh air. We're coming out of winter. It's like May right now. And this just feels so good. We're gonna have a good summer. Is it grossing you out that I'm going from like 1 bite escargot, 1 bite apple? It's really good. I'm not one of those people who get like so particular about like mixing your foods or like don't want your foods touching. If you're one of those people, you're probably so disgusted by me right now. So, what I love about the Coleman Cascade 3-in-1, it's really well built. Everything feels high quality, like it's going to last. We do a lot of driving on rough roads and we want to make sure that this thing's not going to break on us. And we do a lot of camping every single year, so it needs to be able to work for multiple meals on every trip. Second, I love that it came with these plates. What a bonus. So good if you want to do steaks, burgers, shrimp, pancakes, literally anything. We still love and will always bring with us our GSI set. So we've got the frying pan and 2 pots. Also a big fan of the brand GSI. So like if you guys want to see my full camp kitchen, maybe I'll do a video on that this year because we've really like honed it in and I'm quite proud of it. Love that you can use like these regular green tanks. We also have like a hose that we could use it to like our big propane tank. What else do I love about it? It ignites very easily. It's so quick, never had an issue with it igniting. The burners are bigger, so you can fit 2 large pots and pans. Do I dislike anything about this stove? It's heavy, especially when you're hauling around these plates. It's not like the easiest to just swing around and pop up anywhere. You need a little bit of muscle, and it's expensive. Those are genuinely the 2 things. Like, I feel like there's no other features of this that I don't like. Okay, maybe the windscreens could be a little bit higher. But otherwise, we bought this 3 years ago, and I want to say it was around like 300 to 320 Canadian dollars. So it's an investment, but Worth it? I would say so. The amount we use it, for sure. Let me know if you have any questions about the Coleman Cascade 3-in-1. I've used it now for just over 3 years, and I really love it, and I've really tested it, and I have no complaints. Okay, we'll see you guys on the next adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and maybe leave us a comment. Would you eat escargot and apple pie crumble with me out in the wilderness? Bye.